Hey everybody, 9:13, 30 seconds now, Wednesday, April 24th. This is the drawing for the Fantastic Four #1, the Golden Record reprint. Over here are the 36 filled spots. Now, before I go all the way up, Brian, you had asked for spot 30, but Joe had already claimed that. I tried to get your attention to pick another spot. It started filling up fast, and I saw you had already paid, so I assigned you spot 31. I hadn't heard back from you, so that's what I did there. I sent you a private message, and I tried to tag you a few times. But over here are the 31 filled spots. Excuse me, 36 filled spots. Let's roll the 3 dice. Find this book a new home. Number is 16. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and here comes the final one, 16, spot 27, Dan Major. Congratulations. Time is 9:14, 46.